Prepare to soar to new heights as we reveal the U.S. military's top 7 badass aircraft. These aircraft titans, which range from adaptable bombers to stealthy fighters, are redefining what it means to be in the air. Which planes are selected and why? Come along on an exhilarating aerial adventure as we investigate the unparalleled strength and state-of-the-art engineering that go into making America's most formidable aircraft. Number 7. Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules. In military aviation, the Lockheed Martin C-130 Hercules is a legendary workhorse that is well known for its unmatched adaptability and dependability in a variety of operational scenarios. The C-130 was first developed in the 1950s, and since then, it has undergone several modifications and enhancements to become a very versatile platform that can be used for airlift, aerial refueling, search and rescue, firefighting, and special operations support, among other functions. Because of its tough construction and large cargo capacity, it is the perfect choice for delivering personnel, gear, and supplies to far-flung and hostile areas where traditional airplanes find it difficult to function. The C-130 is essential for both military and humanitarian operations because it can access areas that larger cargo aircraft cannot because of its quick takeoff and landing takeoff times on unprepared runways. The C-130 has gained recognition for its adaptability in specialty tasks, like aerial firefighting and airborne assault, in addition to its traditional transport capabilities. Sophisticated weapon systems have been added to modify aircraft, like the AC-130 gunship, making them formidable combat platforms that can deliver close air support and carry out precise strikes on ground targets. The C-130's lasting reputation as a dependable and flexible aircraft highlights its position as a mainstay of military airlift operations, acting as an essential lifeline for soldiers and humanitarian missions during times of crisis all over the globe. Number 6. Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker. And vital part of the U.S. Air Force's aerial refueling aircraft, the Boeing KC-135 Stratotanker supports a variety of combat missions across the globe. The KC-135, which was first designed in the 1950s, is still an essential tool since it can increase the range and endurance of a variety of aircraft, such as fighters, bombers, and reconnaissance aircraft. With its retractable refueling boom, hose, and drogue systems, the Stratotanker can refuel compatible aircraft in midair, enabling them to fly farther and stay in the air longer without having to make frequent refueling stops. Its ability to refuel numerous aircraft at once improves the flexibility and efficiency of missions, allowing for quick deployment and long-term operations over great distances. Not only can the KC-135 be used for aerial refueling, but it can also be used as a platform for personnel and freight transportation. It is ideal for moving people, equipment, and supplies to far-off places or in support of humanitarian efforts due to its roomy cabin and flexible structure. The KC-135 is an essential and dependable weapon in the inventory of the United States Air Force, helping to project force across the globe and bolstering the country's military capabilities in a constantly shifting security environment despite its advanced age. This is made possible by ongoing maintenance and modifications. Number 5. Boeing AH-64 Apache. The Boeing AH-64 Apache, which is well known for its agility, lethality, and domination in combat, is a legendary representation of aerial weaponry. The Apache was created as an assault helicopter for the U.S. Army, and it has demonstrated its worth in numerous combat missions and operations all over the globe. With a lethal arsenal of armaments at its disposal, such as Hellfire missiles, Hydra rockets, and a 30mm M230 chain gun, the Apache is able to engage a lot of targets with accuracy and force. Pilots can engage threats and maneuver complex and dynamic settings with unrivaled situational awareness. Thanks to its cutting-edge avionics and targeting systems, the Apache's design contains advanced survivability elements, like its armor plating, infrared countermeasures, and redundant systems, to improve crew protection and mission performance. In addition to its offensive capabilities, the Apache's ability to maneuver quickly and fly at low altitudes allows it to operate in close proximity to ground units, which is advantageous when providing critical support and reconnaissance during intense combat. Delivering decisive combat power and unparalleled lethality to ground commanders, the AH-64 Apache is still a formidable force on the modern battlefield. whether it is engaged in close air support, anti-tank warfare, or armed escort operations. Number 4. Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning IA. With its unique blend of stealth, speed, and cutting-edge technology, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning IA redefines what a fifth-generation fighter aircraft is capable of. It is the epitome of contemporary military aircraft. The F-35 sets new standards for air combat effectiveness and interoperability. It was developed to suit the demands of the U.S. Air Force, U.S. Navy, U.S. Marine Corps, and several allies. The F-35 has a significant edge in aerial combat due to its sophisticated stealth features, which include a low observable airframe and materials that absorb radar waves. These qualities allow the aircraft to avoid enemy identification and breach densely protected airspace without any problems. With its arsenal of advanced sensors, avionics, and weaponry, the F-35 provides pilots with unparalleled situational awareness and combat adaptability, enabling them to take on a variety of threats in a variety of environments. The F-35 is exceptional at supporting ground and naval troops during air-to-air combat, precise strikes and information, surveillance and reconnaissance, ISR, operations. Its sophisticated networking features also provide easy data sharing and communication with other aircraft and ground elements, improving the efficiency and coordination of the mission as a whole. The F-35 Lightning U, the backbone of air combat operations to come, guarantees air superiority and upholds American dominance in contemporary conflict. Number 3. Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet. Proven in combat and able to adapt to a wide range of mission circumstances, the Boeing F/A-18 Super Hornet is a formidable and flexible multi-role fighter aircraft. The Super Hornet, which was created to replace the original F/A-18 Hornet, has more fuel capacity, superior aerodynamics, and cutting-edge avionics to give it a longer combat range and increased survivability. With its strong design and agility, it can perform well in a variety of operational conditions for both ground attack and air-to-air combat. The F/A-18 Super Hornet is armed with a wide variety of armaments, such as internal mounted M61 Vulcan gun, precision-guided munitions, and air-to-air missiles. Its lethality and firepower are unparalleled. Pilots can detect and engage targets with accuracy and efficiency, thanks to its sophisticated radar and sensor systems, which also give them exceptional situational awareness. Furthermore, the Super Hornet's capacity to function from aircraft carriers offers an additional degree of adaptability, increasing its range and agility in maritime missions. The F/A-18 Super Hornet continues to be a mainstay of naval aviation, providing air supremacy and power projection capabilities for the U.S. Navy and its allies, whether they are engaged in combat air patrols, close air support, or strike missions. Number 2. Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. In terms of military aircraft, the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber, is the pinnacle of cutting-edge technology and strategic potential. Built to breach hostile airspace and launch pinpoint strikes with unmatched stealth, the B-2 represents American leadership in long-range strategic bombing. Because of its unique flying wing shape and sophisticated coatings and materials that absorb radar, it is practically undetectable to enemy radar systems, enabling it to operate covertly well behind enemy lines. The B-2 is capable of carrying a wide range of conventional and nuclear weapons, including gravity bombs and precision-guided munitions. Thanks to its powerful payload capacity and cutting-edge avionics, it is an effective deterrent against enemies and a vital tool in both conventional and nuclear deterrence operations due to its capacity to deliver destructive attacks with accuracy and precision. Furthermore, the B-2's extended range allows it to carry out missions thousands of miles away without requiring refueling, giving the U.S. quick global reach and the capacity to project power across great distances. The B-2 Spirit, a mainstay of the U.S. strategic bomber force, is still a vital tool for maintaining national security and thwarting possible threats to the U.S. and its allies. Number 1. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. As the ultimate predator of the sky, the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a monument to cutting-edge technology and unrivaled air superiority. The F-22, created as a fifth-generation stealth fighter for the U.S. Air Force, pushes the limits of aerial combat with its unique blend of speed, agility, stealth, and cutting-edge avionics. It can sneak deeply into hostile territory without being noticed because of its aerodynamic, streamlined design and materials that absorb radar. With its advanced armament of air-to-ground and air-to-air missiles as well as other sensors and weapons, the F-22 has unparalleled combat adaptability and lethality. The aircraft's sophisticated avionics and sensor fusion technology offer pilots unmatched situational awareness, giving them the power to control the airspace and effectively and precisely engage many targets at once. Furthermore, the F-22 has a significant advantage over possible opponents in speed and maneuverability due to its supercruise capabilities, which enables it to maintain supersonic speeds without the need for afterburners. A vital tool in influencing the strategic environment and thwarting aggression against the United States and its allies. The F-22 goes beyond its combat capabilities. Just its existence acts as a significant deterrent, discouraging any opponents from contesting American air supremacy. The F-22 Raptor, the world's most advanced fighter aircraft, guarantees that the United States will always have the upper hand in air battle, protecting national security and demonstrating might on a global scale. Subscribe now to explore the awe-inspiring capabilities of the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and gain exclusive insights into the cutting-edge technology shaping the future of aerial warfare.